Hello! Welcome back for another quick tip. So you really want to try amigurumi, but no matter how hard you try, you just can't master that magic ring, cinch circle, magic loop, whatever you call it. So therefore you think, I'll never be able to make one because obviously if I just make a chain 2, there'll be a hole there, unlike a magic loop where there's no hole. What if I told you that's not necessarily true? Stay tuned. So the beauty of using a magic ring, cinch circle, whatever you want to call it, for amigurumi is the fact that yes, we can pull that little string and we can close the hole and our stuffing won't come out. By the way, this is my pattern. This is Mike Wazowski the Tot. You can absolutely do this little trick with a chain 2 and still get the same result. And I'll show you right now. So first, make a slip knot. Chain 2, 1, 2. In this first chain that you made is where all your stitches will go. So typical amigurumi is made with 6 into a ring. So let's do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm going to do the next row, which would typically be an increase row, so we'll have 12. That would be 2 single crochet in every stitch, but I still have a hole at the end. No worries. Flip your piece over to the inside. That's where your little tail is coming out. Get your needle. It doesn't matter if it's blunt tip or sharp tip. I'm using a blunt tip. And we are just going to go, see all of these loops that are kind of sticking up like this? Got some here, some here. Okay, pick the ones that are in the inner circle. And go underneath them with your needle. I'll have to go to the next one. There we go. And go in and out. There should be about 6 because that was your base. Now, you don't want to go too far out. So I am not going to pick this one. I'm going to pick this little inner one right here. Because the idea is to stay as close to the ring as possible. Sometimes you can even double it up like that. Start to pull. Go in a couple more here. Pull very gently. And now I'm going to go back and forth a little bit to make sure that this stays closed. Now look at the other side. No more hole. So yes, it can be done with a chain 2 if you so desire. Hope that helped.